I am inherently worthy just as I am. My existence is valuable, and I do not need to prove my worth to anyone. I release all the lies I was made to believe about myself. I am not who they said I was. I define who I am. I deserve love, kindness, and respect, starting with how I treat myself. I am no longer obligated to shrink myself to make others comfortable. I release the fear of disapproval. My truth matters more than their expectations. I have the right to say no without guilt or explanation. I give myself permission to put my needs first. I do not exist to serve someone else's version of me. I am free to be me.